As an employee on an egg farm, you are helping to produce food. The health of the layer flock is a priority, and you must be able to recognise and understand common poultry diseases. Good egg production relies on good hen health, and your job is to interact with hens, inspect them, and know what the signs of disease to look out for are. It can be difficult to identify spotty liver disease in the flock because infected hens don't often show many signs of being sick. Often, spotty liver disease can present as a drop in egg production in hens in early lay, around 22 to 28 weeks. You may also notice an increase in daily mortality. Some other signs that hens with spotty liver disease may show are droopiness, ruffled feathers, and shrunken combs. Hens coming into peak lay are more likely to become infected with spotty liver disease. Keeping hens healthy and not stressed at this time will reduce the likelihood of them catching spotty liver disease. Spotty liver disease is spread in hen faeces, so in barn and free-range sheds, as much as possible, prevent hens from coming into contact with faeces and keep sheds well ventilated to ensure good litter quality. It's your responsibility to ensure the birds have a healthy, low-stress environment. Spotty liver disease is almost impossible to eradicate, so biosecurity is the key to keeping spotty liver disease off the farm. Your farm has biosecurity procedures in place to protect the health and well-being of the hens and you. If you see any signs of spotty liver disease, follow the procedures for your site.